Yo, how we doing? Welcome along to episode 2 of the Liquid D&B Track from Scratch series. Today is going to be the arrangement. I'm looking forward to it. I've got a bunch of ideas. Then following that, next episode is going to be drums and then finishing touches and random bits and bobs here and there. We're just getting started. A really cool series lined up ahead. Quick recap of what we got up to last episode. Arrangement wise, I probably should have referenced some other Liquid D&B tracks before I got started, but oh well, we moved. So to start us off, intro, drag everything out to there maybe. That serum pads is actually a good start, I reckon. So we'll copy that first chord over. And then maybe that chord there actually. Nice little finishing touch. The sine waves. Maybe introduce the sine wave there as well. Where are you? But we're going to fade this in. Like so. A little automation. Need like some atmosphere ting in the background as well. I reckon that would be suited very nicely. Oh, and then we have the sine wave doing this. Nice, nice. Like so. Some lead or a little bloop, 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 bloop over the top. That was unintentional, but sick. It's like a breakdown. Physical and emotional? They're fucking emotional, that was beautiful. And then do we have up an octave? No, that is ass. Maybe remove the bass notes. I don't want the bass to kick in yet, because once it does, everything's gonna light the up. You just low pass in. Very nice, very nice. No. No. Beautiful. And then the bass just... There's going to be a lot of volume automation, I've decided. Nah, not yet, not yet. Oh, I've got an idea. No bass. No sine wave. We drop this into the beautiful piano section. Now. I kind of want to do drums this episode. And this is the drop. A minute in. Yeah, I guess so. It's going to be chorus actually. We don't do drops and build-ups in Liquid. We do chorus and verse alpha. I'm chatting shit. Yeah, that is nice. That is a very quick arrangement so far. Something just eerie in the background, just like a... Actually, can we make the piano notes even softer? Okay, more volume automation. That is way too loud for this bit. And then the bass kicks in again then, but for real this time. This is like the euphoric section. I don't even know how to spell that. Euphoric. Hard to believe English is my first language. Since this is going to flow into a new section, we need to change these last two chords. What scale are we? D sharp minor. Okay. Yup. Good start. Something here. No, we want it to... Let's just focus on the last chord, because the last chord is going to transition into the next bit. Oh, yeah? Maybe? The sine waves do it, the bass needs to do it as well. What notes are we doing? G sharp, A sharp. And we need to copy across the scale tool. G sharp, A sharp. That to that. So that. Alright, let's hear how it sounds. Hopefully freaking amazing. I mean... Something's clashing. Alright, new section. And then something entirely new. Have I found it? I feel like that might have been the first thing I tried, but where's your bass at? Where's your bass at? You know what? We're gonna roll with that. That's beautiful. Alright, so we've got chorus slash drop. Last two chords change up to let the listeners know we're going into a new section. New section kicks in, different style. If you think like this one is a chord every couple of bars, we're switching it up to a chord every bar, with a little exception here, but change up the rhythm and the chords. Entirely new section, keeps the listeners engaged and interested. Do we do a cheeky this lead here as well? We could steal the high notes from this and potentially use those as like a melody thing for the top lead. Higher. Well, oh my god, I was wondering why it sounded so trash. That would be why, not in right scale. Those notes are too high. But these notes are decent. Time. Dip the bass out. And then we do some trickery. Have it come in on the snare, or the second beat. Oh, I have to do it here as well. I could have just edited that and like moved it there. This would be a good spot for a break? Back to the intro maybe. Turn off chord automation. That's not chord automation. Automation lock. Do we chuck it back into the sine waves? That might be a good idea. Actually, we do it from this section. I feel like we've milked this already. We need to do something different. But this is definitely the second build up. Or do we completely throw out the listeners? You know what, we're gonna have a chorus there. Or back into the main kind of idea. And then when you're expecting the new section, it's the stripped down version of the new section. Stripped section. And then oh yeah, I know exactly what's gonna happen. Build this up into this idea. Flipperoo, original chorus, outro done. It's gonna be like low pass drums. New section. Oh my god, what if we bring this bit? Is it gonna work? Oh, that is ass, that is ass. Bam. Oh, then, oh, it's the what's it called in rhythm or dubstep? Fake out. Yeah, it's the fake out of the liquid world. I need to make sure I get this time right. Yeah, there. Chorus. And then we have the outro. With drums or something? That's annoying. 425. Not bad. That's the arrangement. I'm pretty chuffed with that. I can't wait to throw drums on it and actually help build it up even more. Kind of difficult to imagine what it's going to sound like in the end without like drums dictating energy. We've only got like the emotional qualities of the chords and the harmonies and melodies and stuff like that at the moment. But yeah, drums next episode and then everything else after that. Yeah, feel free to steal this arrangement 100%. This will be a free download in the end, so you can just post this Ableton project and steal the locator market and build your own stuff around that. And yeah, that is that. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time and peace.